Alright, what's up guys? We're gonna have a bit of a spontaneous video. I'm actually gonna go and pick up a drift car possibly with a friend. Not for us, but for him. My bad guys. My dad came and he was asking me some questions. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up possibly a drift car for one of my friends. I've been trying to get him to start a channel too. Hopefully pushes him to make a channel, but I'm gonna drive to his house right now. He lives about 15-20 minutes away, so I gotta get there fast. He was planning to leave at 7 and it's already 6:40, so I'll catch up with you guys once I'm there. Alright guys, so I just got to his house. I'm gonna text him right now, tell him that I'm outside, and hopefully all goes well and he's bringing home a drift car. I'll update you guys if something interesting happens. For now though, we're probably just gonna get on the road and start driving. The car's about 45 minutes to an hour away, so not much really to film, except maybe like a time lapse, but I doubt it.
You're wrong,
You're going straight.
The Michigano's right there.
I think at one point, what we said overwise.
We literally hit all of them that we named.
Alright, what's up guys? We're currently waiting for the guy to hit us back up for the car, and we're killing time, so we're gonna go get ice cream. But we went to Baskin Robbins and decided we were gonna get Uberweiss instead. Overweiss? Overweiss. And Ashley's the GPS, and she doesn't know what the hell she's doing.
No. Why are you going slow? But just go straight.
I need you to like make sure the map is right. That's why I'm going slow.
Yeah, you're good. Go straight.
Oh, damn, you missed it.
God damn it, Ashley.
We're okay.
Alright guys, we have day 2 of trying to buy a drift car. I'll show you guys the car right now after Jose's done talking to him. And I'll show you guys what kind of car it is. Alright guys, so they just finished doing some like paperwork and last discussions with the car with the previous owner, and he finally picked it up. So I'm just gonna show you guys the car. Alright guys, here's the new drift car. If you guys want to see Jose drift it, comment down below.
No.
I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here somewhere. See this bad boy get sideways. Alright guys, let me show you guys a quick update on the Subaru since I'm outside. It's gonna rain today, so I won't be able to make any more progress on it today, but it is what it is. Alright, this side is pretty much done. I just gotta do a couple more spots just to make sure it's perfect, because with Bondo and all that shit, you have to make sure it looks perfect before you start putting wrap or paint over it, because you see every little imperfection. And yeah, I was picking out colors. Oh wow, that looks really cool on camera. What's up? I haven't really recorded that side because I'm just gonna show the whole process on the other side all in one video. And this side I was just learning the process of doing the Bondo and the body panel adhesive. So I'll update you guys more as soon as I start working on the other side, and we'll get a new video off of that. But for now, that's pretty much it. I'm also gonna throw in some footage that we got. Recently upgraded to a Mavic Pro, so that'll be cool. I'll throw those shots in right now. But for now, guys, catch you next time.